The 8-step LinkedIn growth hack your team's probably ignoring, and how to fix it. If your company is posting great content and it's going nowhere, here's the fix. Activate your team. Employees are the secret weapon to amplifying company content, especially on LinkedIn. But it only works if it feels real, not robotic. Here's a simple how-to playbook your employees can follow to boost posts organically. Step 1. Like the post, but don't stop there. Liking helps, but comments are way more powerful. When employees leave comments, especially within the first hour, it tells LinkedIn, this post is worth showing to more people. That engagement helps the post escape the initial visibility bubble and reach second and third degree connections. So yes, likes help, but thoughtful comments are what drive visibility and boost reach. Step 2. Add a thoughtful comment within the first 90 minutes. This signals the algorithm that the post is valuable. Here are a few examples. Love this breakdown. We just tried tactic number 2 and saw real results. I'm proud to be part of the team working on this. We've seen firsthand how this helps our clients. Avoid generic comments like great post or replies consisting only of emojis. They don't move the needle. Step 3. Tag someone relevant, but only one person. Tagging someone relevant expands a post's reach because it brings that person, and potentially their entire network, into the conversation. If they engage, the LinkedIn algorithm recognizes this as a signal of value and distributes the post more widely. Just ensure the tag is meaningful and not spammy. Here are several examples. At Jane Smith thought this would align with what we discussed. At Blvd, this reminded me of your workshop. Don't mass tag or force it. Relevance matters. Step 4. Repost with personal commentary. If the post really resonates, share it with your own take. Keep it brief and human. For example, our team just launched this. Proud of the impact we're creating. If you're in industry, this is worth checking out. Step 5. Don't copy-paste the company line. LinkedIn downgrades duplicate content. Avoid using the exact post copy when resharing. Instead, do this. Write your own one-liner. Share a quick story. Add your takeaway. Step 6. DM your network the halataha move. Did you know that direct messages are LinkedIn's hidden engagement trigger? When you DM someone a post, LinkedIn's algorithm takes note of that interaction. Research shared by top LinkedIn strategist/influencer Halataha suggested in a recent podcast that users who exchange DMs are 85% more likely to see each other's future posts in their feed, dramatically increasing visibility and engagement potential. What you should do? DM a colleague or client the post and say, "Thought you'd find this useful." Start a quick convo about the topic, and LinkedIn will prioritize showing them your future posts. Necessary, only share posts via DM if they're highly relevant. No one wants spam in their inbox. Step 7. Try engagement pods with caution. Engagement pods are small groups of trusted peers or team members who agree to consistently support each other's content, especially within the golden first 90 minutes. This helps jumpstart traction and gives the algorithm the signal it needs to boost reach. How to do it right? Keep it tight. 5 to 15 real people, not bots. Comment naturally, don't copy/paste, or leave fake praise. Engage quickly but genuinely. What you need to avoid: don't rely only on pods. Your content still has to perform with the broader audience. Don't use automated tools. LinkedIn can flag these. Don't overdo it. 1 to 2 pods per week max to keep things authentic. Pods work best when they're rooted in relationships, not transactions. Step 8. Make it a habit. The algorithm favors consistency. If 5 to 10 team members support every post with genuine, relevant comments, your brand's visibility explodes. Keep it authentic. 1 good employee comment beats 10 forced ones. My bonus tip: engage before you need engagement. If you comment on others' posts regularly, they're more likely to engage with yours. Build goodwill before you post. When your employees lean in with real voices, it turns the company page into a living, breathing content engine. Don't post and pray. Activate your team and watch what happens. As always, thank you for your time. If our video has brought you value, please subscribe, like, and share. This will help our channel grow.